Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so a short video to show you how to use the Google Slide presentation. So here I am on Canvas, week 8. I'm going to open the module. I'm going to go down to Wednesday, which is today, and I'm going to look at the Canvas assignment presentation, development of the periodic table. It says make a copy of the presentation to present your version of the periodic table. Replace the words your name in the title with your actual name. So I'm going to open that as a student. Here is my table, or excuse me, my presentation. So I'm going to go to File, make a copy of the entire presentation, and then I'm going to replace your name with my name, and I'm going to make that copy. At that point, I can close the other one, and I can work purely in this one. At the end of the presentation, there will be questions for you to answer when you're finished. Blah-de-blah-de-blah, blah-de-blah-de-blah. But what you're going to do is you're going to be using your table that you make on your actual tabletop, your physical table, and you're going to be representing it in this 7x4 grid. So the way you do that is you go to slide 3, you choose whatever one that you want, and then you can either copy it, which is Control-C, or you can cut it, which is Control-X. I'm going to choose to cut it so that I know which one I've used. If I think that one goes here in the upper left-hand corner, then I will simply grab it and I will move it to the upper left-hand corner. If I then think that V, Control-X to cut it, goes below it, then I will move it there until I have represented on this slide what it looks like on my table.